Hey guys, so today we are going to be making, or I guess heating, one of the meals from Flex Pro Meals. I'll include all the information on in the description below and on the website. But this is the Backyard BBQ. It has 25 carbs, 30 grams of protein, 20 grams of fat, 400 total calories. You can see that. Hopefully it adjusts. So what I like about this company is this is very simple. You just put it in the microwave for about 2 minutes 30 seconds. Good to go. We also have muffins, so we'll try a muffin as well. Alright, so here we go. It took an extra 30 seconds. This is how it looks. Backyard BBQ, let's see how it tastes. Actually, it's quite tasty. A little hot. Oops. It is really tasty. I'm surprised how well it came out. You can see the, let's see if it adjusts corn. Looks actually like a barbecue. So I mean, there's the beef. It's a cute, it's a tasty little meal. Tastes fantastic. Easy to make. I think it's definitely worth a try. We'll try the other ones as well. This is a really nice meal. Fast. It took about, what, 3 minutes or so, give or take, about 3 minutes to make. Pop it in, you're ready to go. It's 400 calories. 400 high protein, tasty calories. There is a special first week off 20%, link in the description with the promo code. And we also have one of these muffins that we're going to check out. Here we go. In a second. Alright, so now the dinner part is done. We're going to now have, I guess, an M&M, I believe it is. Like a little M&M muffin. It's all protein based. So let's see how that tastes. Long day. Quite tasty. Let's see inside. All natural. It tastes basically like an M&M. Between an M&M and like a chocolate chip cookie. Or an yeah. Very tasty. So that's the review for the Backyard BBQ meal from Flex Pro Meals. It was delicious. It actually tasted better than I even expected. So A+ to Flex Pro Meals. If you want to try them out, there's a link in the description with the promo code for you to save a few bucks. And the nice little caveat was the M&M muffin was quite tasty and overall pretty good meal, filling, no complaints. I know a lot of you guys have stated some of my meals in the past have been too long. I can't get too much quicker than this. Until next time, take it easy.